Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and welcome to How to Get It Done Locksmith Tips. Now, we've all been there, right? We're in a vehicle trying to program a key. We have our machine out, we have the cable connected to the machine and to the vehicle, and it's not communicating. It's stressful at times, if you have another job to do, if you have a customer watching you, and always, for whatever reason, it seems that we just want to jump to like the worst thing, like our machine's broken, right? Or something, or there's a major problem with the vehicle, or maybe a fuse is out, or there's something like that going on. And a lot of times we can just bypass the most basic problems, okay? So I want to go over with you just two simple things that I think that can really help. They're quick to check, and they can eliminate those calls into tech support, waiting on the phone, just to find out it was something really basic, okay? And the first thing is, if you have your machine hooked up to a vehicle and it's not communicating, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is remove this pin saver here, okay? Because if there's a problem with the pin saver, it's not gonna be able to communicate from the vehicle to the machine. So just go ahead and remove it and just plug in your cable directly, carefully, by the way, right in here to the machine and try. Now, if that is not working and it's still not communicating, at that point, that's when we're gonna start thinking maybe there's a problem with the cable, okay? But until you try removing the pin saver, don't go to the cable quite yet, all right? Because it might be just real simple and easy, right? This is a very rare part on any programmer. And so you're gonna wanna first do that, then you're gonna wanna go to your cable. At that point, hopefully, you put a new cable on there and you realize that it was just a bad cable and you can go from there. But those are the two most basic first steps that I think you should take when you're having a failure to communicate with the vehicle. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.